forgot to hit the recording at the beginning because I wanted to record this so I could show everybody like how cool it is. But you know, I guess it's just gonna miss a little bit of the beginning. It doesn't even seem like the camera is that good. Man, everything froze. Or, what? Tap evade. Okay. Can you please hold? Can't really see it. Almost. Enter to confirm. Okay, so I can use the mouse to move. I don't need to be that close to my character. Ugh, that transition. Got kind of quiet. There it goes, back to normal. Man, the Dragon Ball Z Scouter. Please no. Oh, I 100% got straight into that. I'm running. Oh, wasn't paying attention to me. Okay. Was easy? Well, can I wonder if I can mess with the frames, all that. Oh, okay. So that's this, man. Not the best lighting, I guess. At least can see me a little bit. Oh, I can autoplay. Headset keeps clicking on things. Sure, why not? Can I? Oh, I can't do anything with that. Ooh. That's fire. I don't think that's possible, guy. Yeah, because they're programmed to do it. I just did what I always do, and that is skip through the conversation. And then there goes the freaking sound. I thought it was going to be a no matter what kind of deal. Eli has his headset on right now. Oh, is that this game?
先輩がいてくれれば100人力だわ。100人力って私は超人なんかじゃないのよ。いいえ、メイ先輩さえいてくれれば100倍のパワーを手に入れたも同然よ。本当、そんなやつのキアナちゃんだけよ。
I don't know if I just burped into the mic or I don't know. I guess we'll find out, you know, in the recording. Was on level 6 to begin with. What? It says 1 to 8, but it says I was on 6 and leveled up to 8. I got a new skill. Okay. What? I feel like I played this before. Okay.
これで強くなったわ。
Alright. What? Can I just unlock other things? Cool. Yeah. Okay. Oh, it's a good time to stop for now.